Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can export your documents and designs on Affinity in SVG file format, for example, as a vector file in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your document or design on Affinity, click into File in the top left, and once you're done with editing, hover your mouse over Export, click into Export here, and then go through that list of supported file types. Scroll down if needed and look for SVG, this one here, and then you may narrow down your selection. For example, SVG for export, small size, high quality, and so on and so forth. I will go with the first option. You may also go through these settings here to the right. You'll see the file type here again. And what you want to do after that is click into export. Look for the save to given file on your device. You will see the file type here, and confirm by clicking into download or save here in your operating system's language, of course. And yeah, to export the file or design in SVG file format on your device. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.